So in today's video, I want to just go ahead and show you this remote control that operates all of your Ape Labs light. Doesn't matter if it's the Maxi, the stick, the can, whatever you have Ape Labs, this remote is going to operate that fixture. It is an RC remote, and it's got a couple cool little features on it. Actually, a whole bunch. Today we're just going to do color changing. So if you look right in the middle of the remote there, you'll see a power button right here. And since this is not a point and shoot remote, it's RC, all you have to do is just press it pointing anywhere and our lights come on. Right below and above the power button, you have your bright and dim buttons. So right now we're full on bright. If we go down here, we can dim our lights. It's like a 5-step thing on there. All the way down, they're off. You gradually bring it up with the bright button. And your lights are full on. Now I got a variety of lights over here. I have some bars, I have some Maxis, just to show you that this remote controls everything that's in the Ape Labs lighting family. Next, I want to show you the speed up and slow down buttons. Can you see those? Right over here. Right now it's all the way off, but what I can do is make kind of a fade for a while, which turns into a strobe. If I press the speed up button one time, this is actually a very slow fade. It's so slow you can barely notice it. Hit it again, goes a little faster. If I keep hitting it all the way up, it's kind of like a strobe. Of course, if I bring it all the way down, I'm back to my static color. On either side of the power button, you'll see arrows. This is how you flip through the colors. So if we take the left arrow and start pushing it, we start going through some of the pre-programmed colors in these lights. There's quite a few. Something else I can do is press and hold this left arrow button to get to static white, or white. So press and hold, and everything is white. Now if I press and hold the right arrow, I go somewhere very different. So I'll press and hold it, and that looks green to everybody, but it's actually a rainbow mode. If I use the speed up button down here, I can start going through this cool rainbow effect, which is nice for dancing or whatever. You can speed it up or slow it down, whatever you want to do. And there are a couple of different rainbow modes. That one's really fast, as you can see. We'll slow it down a little bit. But yeah, this is the remote control that takes care of all of your Ape Lab lights. It's real simple. It's RC. It's got a very long range. I've used it outdoors at probably 100 feet and no problem at all. So trying to keep it simple with the Ape Lab stuff. This is what I've been using recently, and it's been real handy for me. And I'm catching stuff like cool ambers too. Let's see if I can find an amber for you. Although, like I said, this is RGBW. There's some cool color mixes here. Well, that's a pretty nice amber. And that's just like I said, RGB. There's some different ones. That's even a better amber, actually. And then we have red. So anyway, quick video for you. That's the remote control. Hope it answers some of your questions. If you have any more, let me know down in the comment section. We'll explore this remote further in more videos because we've got more stuff to show you. But that should get you started. Practice and enjoy.